this. It's a simple thing cause the road into bad, you know. Them don't maintain the road. When the road get bad, they must allow it to get bad and bad and bad and worse and worse and worse. Then it becomes from a little pothole to a big swimming pool. Them have a road in Jamaica where banana growing on the road. I personally see that in my own eyes. And I hear say a man will drown in a pothole in Jamaica. What can go so? They're already telling man lies about me. Every day is a different lie they must spread on me. But to me it's like water for duck's back. Because my father and mother grow me right. I'm gonna mix up in a Dutty Bungle and Bangarang.
It is not by chance that we brought you here, party leader, because we want you to feel the pothole where you're going now. And not the people, but they are feeling straight up there. We brought the people of St. Elizabeth into slide to see where the people of slide have suffered through all these years. The work for himself and in pocket. The party. The people of Slide deserve better. The people of Southwest want better roads. And not because them know say election a come why them hurry up and a fix road. And a video themselves night and day. All them a fix and a the road rehabilitation. When we know say just because them a try friend the people. People of Slide want water. Comrade leader, on the 1 and 2 phone call me dead from the children who have to travel early in the morning and be out a bucket and get water stand. Party leader, the people of Slide want water. And I deliver water to Slide.
Reality check, man, from your device, you know it's a unique one. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, St. Elizabeth Road Tour. And nothing good. And Mark Golden left everything in Slipe St. Elizabeth past night. Mark Golden did not hold back. The man dish it out all on Anju Holness last night. Show some dangerous shades and Anju Holness in St. Elizabeth. So my viewers and subscribers, last night or past night was the St. Elizabeth Road Tour. And it looked good. When me say look good, me mean to say look good for the PMP. And right now, as it stands, it looks like PMP is going to sweep St. Elizabeth. All 4 seats. All 4 seats is trending right now in the People's National Party column. And when you're looking Southwest, Miranda, Wellington, and the momentum and the crowd was she pulling up. Flight Green asked they got twep. Because this woman here, Miranda, seems to me she have Southwest St. Elizabeth lock. Now, let us move on to Southeast St. Elizabeth. And PMP caretaker Norman Scott and JLP MP Frank Witter. And now we see the reason why them stage the false protest against Norman Scott. Them know say St. Elizabeth is moving and moving rapidly into the columns of the People's National Party. Let us move to Northeast St. Elizabeth. The lady who overthrew Corn Spencer, Zelika Jess, is going to destroy Delroy slowly. Slowly but surely. Zelika Jess is going to destroy Delroy slowly. In a Northeast St. Elizabeth. And move on to Northwestern St. Elizabeth, where we have Patricia Scarlett Forrester, who already run J.C. Hutchinson out of town. The 28 veteran, 28 years, J.C. Hutchinson anchored down the seat there for the Jamaica Labour Party. And the first timer, Patricia Scarlett Forrester, run J.C. Hutchinson out of town. Uno see it's a big mucho problem in a St. Elizabeth for the Jamaica Labour Party. And that is the reason why they stage the false protests on Norman Scott. Them stage them own protests on J.C. Hutchinson because them see it's a Patricia of J.C. Hutchinson all foot them the wobble under him. So southeast and the north and the west looking good for the People's National Party. So the party leader tell them him mother and him father grow him good. So him no mix up in a Dutty Bungle corruption. We know say Anju Holness him a swipe at, you know. We know exactly what I go on. Yes, man. The party leader say him mother and him father grow him good. Him no mix up in a Dutty Bungle. He also goes on and he make it clear we are offering a government that you can have trust and confidence in. He stated that we are not going to offer bribery. We are not going to offer corruption. We are not going to offer badness. The man make it clear. And him say none of that. No government badness around here. Good governance we are deal with. But we not afraid and no guy. And we not afraid and nobody. Because remember what them bring off in the 80s, you know, against Michael. So if you notice through them see Mark is a white man. Every little drunk crow over there, they fly up. Want to this. But the party leader make it clear last night. So him not afraid of no guy. And he not afraid of nobody. So anything one want come with, we up for it. Because anything, a good governance we say. We not deal with no bribe. We not deal with no corruption. We not deal with no government badness. But we not going to make no ambush we like no ambush we 1980. It not go work. So anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we go and jump in at the clip with Mark Golden. And after we play the Mark Golden clip, then we will continue with Miranda, Wellington. Take it away.
foolishness. The same thing cause the road into bad, you know. Them don't maintain the road. When the road they get bad, them just allow it to get bad and bad and bad and worse and worse and worse. Then it become from a little pothole to a big swimming pool. Them have a road in Jamaica where banana growing on the road. I personally see that in my own eyes.
What can go so?
Crowd in a pothole in Jamaica. What can go so? We have a prime minister. This is another arms out situation. Jamaica, I didn't say not a real place. We have a prime minister whose integrity commission declaration, where every parliamentarian has to file every year. You have to list everything you own. You have to list every debt that you owe. You have to list all of your income, whether it's a salary you get, or if you have little investment income, whatever, you have to put it all in there. And you have to file it with the integrity commission, and then look through it, and then ask a bag of questions on it to get don't look straight. His own car certified from 2021. He's the Prime Minister of the country. His one is being sent for investigation for a corruption offense called illicit enrichment. You know what illicit enrichment means? It means that you have assets that you don't have the income. It means that some hanky-panky thing they go on and you have to explain it or you go to prison. You don't make me now. Same time, you're big up. So, we have a prime minister whose integrity commission filings can't certify. The integrity commission said the man not giving them the information they need to understand the 28 bank account and the hundreds of millions of dollars passing from one of these companies to the other. This is the Prime Minister of the country, you know, and they run all them private business matters while he's Prime Minister. You don't understand that, because I tell you, when I was Minister of Justice for 4 years, I had to bust my backside working hard for the people of this country. I never do any other type of work. Because we had to make sure we pass the IMF test. And the IMF test at the time required a lot of legislation. And I was in charge of legislation. And I said to myself, you man, you can't make the people of Jamaica think you can't work. You have to put out the effort and make sure we pass every test on time. And every single piece of legislation is about 30 of them just for the IMF program. Marky G going to the trenches with the draft of them. Saturday, Sunday, midday, me a draft class for me bad banger. Me a draft for the team. Yeah, man. And we pass every test. And Jamaica change tax system completely. I will get myself from this debt trap that we were in to now where we reach today, where Jamaica has a lower debt to GDP ratio than Britain and the US and Barbados. I set that trend there, but Jamaica benefit from that. Money alright, they must set that trend there. I inherit,
You know the man said, the whole what Jamaica went in, you know, after Bruce Golding, Hardly Shaw, them Dan Webby, Nigel Clark and Anju Holness and wreck the economy, you know. Wreck the economy, you know. From 2007, you know, till 2012, you know. And the Mark Golding, they tell you know, the work why I'm have to put in, you know. Sleepless night, you know, from Sunday to Sunday, you know, to put those legislation in place, you know, to pass the IMF test them, you know, so Jamaica could be back on a good standing with the IMF, you know. And he might tell you now, say, are the legacy, what them left there, you know, I hit the Jamaica Labour Party, they live off and now, you know. So uno believe that through Marky Gina and talk, them man had the whole heap of work in the Process Simpson administration, you know, to put back Jamaica on the map, you know. We go play him back again. We go play him back again so you can listen. Because no one does run up and down and not listen. Sentimental fool, sentimental baboon, and sentimental. Anyway, take it back from top, Marky G.
Stand up, because I tell you, when I was Minister of Justice for 4 years, I had to bust my backside, working hard for the people of this country. We never do any other type of work, because we had to make sure we pass the IMF test. And the IMF test at the time required a lot of legislation, and I was in charge of legislation. And I said to myself, you man, you can't make the people of Jamaica think you can't work. You have to put out the effort and make sure we pass every test on time, and every single piece of legislation is about 30 of them just for the IMF program. Marky G going to the trenches with the draft of them. Saturday, Sunday, me did it. Me a draft class for me bad banger. Me a draft for the team. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And we pass every test. And Jamaica change tax system completely. I will get myself from this debt trap that we were in to now we reach today where Jamaica has a lower debt to GDP ratio than Britain and the US and Barbados. I set that trend there for Jamaica benefit from that. Money right, you must set that trend there. I hear it. Yes, the cool roller, still rolling. Big up her guys. So people, Jamaica is on a path where the head of its government, the Prime Minister, is not in good standing with the country's anti-corruption agency. The man carry them to court. This is the Prime Minister, man. Carry them to court to strike down the Integrity Commission Act, which his government passed. He never designed it. I designed it. I bring it to government. But then eventually pass it because we only get one term. We lose by one seat. Every time there's a story not going to that. That's all that happened. Anyway, the country can't move forward like that. If I was in that position as leader, we take on myself. No man is so important that he must remain as Prime Minister with such a cloud hanging over his head. It's a disgrace. It puts the country in a bad light, and it can't lead Jamaica forward under the bad light and the cloud. So people, comrades and friends, we're on a serious journey. We are on a serious mission. And don't feel like it will come easy. The energy on the ground for the PNP turn up. The people them wants to change. And them I said, yeah man, Marky G look like he deserve a chance. Let's go with Marky G and the team. What matters really is on election day, how much people, how many come out to vote and put them eggs beside the head and the ballot beside Miranda Wellington name and ensure that Floyd Green, Holness and Miranda come in and out. And the same goes for Norman Scott, because we need Southeast, we need Southwest, and we bring in a veteran, a skillful politician, and a man whose heart is here in St. Elizabeth. And I know he will represent Southeast very, very well as well. And Jess, yeah man, confident in Jess. And Cameron Patricia, yeah man, she's gonna create some waves and create some surprises. But we have to do the work. And they're gonna come at us hard. They're already telling us manner of lies about me. Every day is a different lie they must spend on me. But to me it's like water for a duck's back. Because my father and mother grow me right. I'm gonna mix up in a Dutty Bungle and Bangarang.
The man say mother and father grow him right. I'm not mix up in a Dutty Bungle and Bangarang. Share that Anju Holness again, you know. You think the general a ramp and a play? Continue, general.
So people of Southwest, St. Elizabeth, and of St. Elizabeth as a whole, we're relying on you. And when them come with them little pranks, and them little bribes, and them little arms out business, don't bother sell out yourself, or sell out your family, or sell out your future, or sell out Jamaica. Stand firm. Stand firm in the great tradition of Michael Joshua Manley. Stand firm and deliver a new day. Deliver hope to Jamaica. Deliver a clean-hearted government. A government that is going to look about the interests of the people. A government that is going to invest in the people. A government that is going to take Jamaica forward in the right direction. A government that they can be proud of. A government that they can have trust and confidence in. That is what we're offering. That is what we're bringing. We're not bringing bribery. We're not bringing corruption. We're not bringing badness. None of that. We're not afraid of no guy. We're not afraid of no fucking guy. So the great people of Slide, enough love and thing, enough respect every time. I can only say to you tonight, you've heard what we have to say. And I want to ask you one question. Are you ready?
That is it, my viewers and subscribers. The man want the people of St. Elizabeth. So when them come with them scarce benefit and supplies, to run them away with it. The one night belly full, it not go work. The bag of fertilizer not go work. The 2 sheet of zinc not go work. The $5,000 not go work. He might tell you, say, no think about yourself, but think about your youth, and your grandpitney and your great grandpitney, and it goes on and on and on. No sell out to yourself for the short term benefit, because you see what you guys have done, and ask yourself, why profit after 9 years? You give them all the seat in St. Elizabeth, but ask yourself, why profit after 9 years? Nothing, sufferation, bury lick hurricane burial, and the Prime Minister hold back for relief from Uno. So don't get caught up in the short term thing. And him telling you that we are offering a good government that you can trust and have confidence in. We are not offering bribe. That is not going to happen. And we are not going to offer anybody no form of corruption. He make it clear we are not going to bring to you no form of government badness. Him stated none of that. But him also pointed out, but we're not afraid of no guy if he come to that stage. And we're not afraid of nobody neither. Because if you listen what he stated before, every day there is something that then try to throw at him. But him say like a duck, I saw you pour the water upon them back, I saw it run off. Nothing cannot stick. But him want to make it clear to them that him not afraid of no guy. And him not afraid of nobody neither. Because we want to do 1980. We want to show up and a push up on the nose like we want to repeat some things again. But we now going to sit down this time and make the Jamaica Labour Party and them shower posse ambush we. Like what we see going in a Spanish town yesterday. So my viewers and subscribers, I am going to make you listen a little bit of Miranda Wellington speech. Take it away.
One of your very own, another teacher by profession. I say welcome the young lady who has taken up the mantle and has made the People's National Party proud. I say welcome your next member of Parliament, St. Elizabeth Southwest, Comrade Miranda Wellington.
My father Banya, my father Banya, my grandmother Banya, my grandmother Banya, Ayanai Banya, Ayanai Banya, my leader Banya, my leader Banya. That's why I not live, yeah. No, I not live, yeah. He gave I a message to all those people who no love progress, who no love progress.
Parents of St. Elizabeth, raise your hands to the sky and say time come now. Comrades on the platform, comrades traveling from near and far, comrade leader Mark Jefferson Golding, the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. Hear the man. both of my parliamentary candidates and my sisters who are on the battlefield to bring home victory for the People's National Party. Comrade councillors, neighboring councillors, I want to say hail all the councillors who have kept the party together and who have won local government elections and held the party firm during that difficult period. I want to big up my sister traveling far from Central, Comrade Ramona. Big up yourself. Thank you for coming and giving us this support. My two councillors who are here, Comrade O'Neill Buchanan and Comrade Country, hear the man and give them both a Southwest welcome because we know them are holding forth for me. My team, thank you for holding us strong. Thank you for being by my side. Comrades, to you, the warriors, the battle soldiers, and for the soldiers who are keeping PNP strong in Southwest. Hail the comrades. Tonight we are
up them man, up them man, up them man. I want to say man.
Let me see a
it's a mission in up to rescue Jamaica, you know.
You are ready for the change that is coming
Bruno.
to Southwest St. Elizabeth. Friends, family, the communities that make up SLIPE. Tonight, we are making history in Southwestern St. Elizabeth. When I came into the crowd, I could not imagine that in this forgotten community, the light is shining brighter than ever.
Power to the woman.
No doubt that the people are ready for Miranda Wellington to be your next member of parliament. Alright, tonight is nostalgic because we've been on the journey since 10 a.m. this morning. We started in gutters, we went to southeast, we ended up in northwest. But comrade leader, when we take the rain and I go through the top of that X6, I knew without a doubt when I went
to the woman.
Southwest,
Miranda, Wellington. Long time come.
People, because time come now. We've been on the ground night and day, and we're battling the Pharisees, and we know that they're ready themselves to bring all kind of things to the people. But what we are about, we're about the change that is meaningful, not the one night belly full change where them a bring come out your yard, not the one day fight comes together when them think you're a friend for. I know without a doubt that the people of Southwest will not sell out their children's rights. They will not sell out their future because they know that they deserve better. When I talk to the people, party leader, into every single community, because we're represented here from the people of Pedro Plains, we're represented here from the people of Brampton, and we're represented here from the people of Mountainside. The buses that came into SLIPE is a testimony that the people want change. Here, party leader, because we want you feel the pothole where you're going on, and that the people never feel.
Reality man, and I come boast.
We brought the people of St. Elizabeth into SLIPE to see where the people of SLIPE have suffered through all these years, and them say them care about the people. It will be fertilizer. Them can't buy a half a bag of fertilizer. And what they've been doing, they've been using the rural agricultural development
Power to the people, man.
as their pocket change, giving away one bag. Which farmer can farm with one bag of fertilizer? No farming can take place because I tell people all the time, a man would prefer to buy his fertilizer than to get a bag of fertilizer. We have to look at the cost of fertilizer and bring down the cost to help our farmers to buy what they want. Comrades, I know that your children are having difficulties to go to school, but the cost of living is incumbent on the kind of government that cares about your future. This party leader, Mark Golding, knows that the people of Jamaica cannot afford food, and we have to look at the cost of basic food items that the people cannot afford. People of Slipe, people of Southwest, people of St. Elizabeth, rise up, see the sky, and know that the change is coming. And I will be here to lead that change in Southwest St. Elizabeth. Comrades, tonight I want to enjoy yourself because this is the beginning. This is the victory. Comrades, garbage is the issue that is affecting Jamaica. Because everywhere you go, the only time them collect garbage is when it has stink and rat and take up the place. Comrades, that is what they think of us. That is what the people of the Jamaica Labour Party think of its people. They think of you as garbage and as rat-infested people because you couldn't leave garbage in the communities until it reached that state. I want you to recognize that we have to vote. I'm going to leave you with one thing, comrades and friends and family, because tonight this is a mixed crowd party leader. This is not just a comrade crowd, it is a community crowd, because the people are coming out to make the change and make the X the People's National Party. Comrades, I want you to look to your neighbor, look to your friend, and tell them to vote for Marky G. Tell them to vote for Miranda, Wellington. Tell them to vote for Norman Scott. Tell them to vote for the PNP. Tell them that the PNP will bring the change that they want. Good night, my comrades. One love, one heart. See you in Parliament because them can't stop we now.
Jamaica, very powerful woman, Miranda, Wellington. And Jamaica, me proud of the party leader, you know. Me proud of the party leader because me I tell you, say, one of the time when me see man sit down in a parliament, you know, and the way of the Jamaica Labour Party, them disrespectful, you know, because remember one time, you know, Anju Holness was the king in Jamaica, you know. So him can't say anything and do anything and get away with it. Them style the man. Them say him was a gift to the Jamaica Labour Party. Them say him a frefre. Them say he not have no charisma. Them say him not know if he talk. You understand? You don't know if he dress. All kind of things them say about the man. And when me look, me see him and Dayton Campbell alone out there. The fight. Jamaica. Mark Golding and Dayton Campbell and few more. Alone out there, the fight. That time the Jamaica Labour Party have them, they lick them all over the place. It was Wayne Lonesome and Jamaica Carlos was out here batting on behalf of the Jamaican people. A youth like Aromatic see that. Sometimes it like it bring tears to my eye. Me see how them a deal with the man. And me say, this my party gone to. My party no deserve this. My party no deserve this. Yo, nobody no want Aromatic to do this. None of my family member, nobody. Them say, no, stay out of that. That are no fear. Me no get no support from them. No family member. Nobody. No. And trust and believe. Me say, me have to do this. Me stop for a period. And start a cooking channel. And me just say, you know what? I know this is my thing. I'm going to go back into the fight. Because too much was at stake. It is a pivotal moment for our country. And not just for me. But my kids and my grandkids. And my great-great-grandkids. They were the one. A couple elders. And a love for my country in general. Me say in spite, I want my family member and everybody them I say, them no with me, them no want me to do this. Me say, listen me, I have to do this. And me take up back my gloves. I'm moving at the boxing ring. And the rest is history. To see the same man who them disrespect so much come a far away. So till the same Jamaica Labour Party now, every day them try to stick something else to him. And when nothing cannot stick, they say I'm an Englishman and I'm a white man and trying to play this race game. But the thing about it, he's a man of integrity. He's a man of class. He's a man of character. And you cannot take away that from the man. The man born in a wealth, in creating one wealth, or you would say in creating one dynasty. So him now come a government to thief from Jamaican taxpayers. Because where money is concerned, Mark Golding is well off. I'm proud of the man. You see the man stand up on stage and the gimmicks the Prime Minister who once used to gimmicks him and take him for toy. Think about that, my viewers and subscribers. When he said, my mother and my father grow me good. So me no mix up in a Dutty Bungle. Shades him through the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Anju Holness. And stated, but me no afraid of nobody. And we no afraid of no guy. So anything or anything. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and follow the platform over YouTube. We don't tell you no much o'clock. We shoot bullseye when time we are shoot. They are no deal with conspiracy theory. They are no deal with propaganda, tabloid. We no depend them thing there. We shoot straight. And when we shoot bullseye. Dot the I's and cross the T's. Some people have problem with what we do because we cannot compromise. And I know the right. So I cannot try to please myself, knowing the right and ignore it at the same time. We don't run them joke there with nobody. We tell them say a God and good road. The signature word, it never change. It remain the same. White mean aromatic. To love. Until then, you know, and the matic will chat again. Peace and love. I'm out.